Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelechi and today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this particular design. Okay, let me just start. I don't want to take much of your time. Um, the first thing I did was nope, nope. So I used the grid to divide it. We have one. Okay, 1, 5. It should be 750. Yes, 750 duplicate. Okay, now we have 4 grids. Sorry. So just adjusted this image for a number, then elements. Then I used this particular one because I loved it. Create this, create this. Okay, I have to make sure it's in the middle. Sorry. Okay, transparency 80. So we are almost there. Now the next thing I did was added this image. Where's my image? I have to remove the background of this. So I had to remove the background of this image. I wonder why it's taking long. It's taking long to remove. It should be my network, but I'm sure it's going to be done very soon. Remember, okay, you're here. But please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I've successfully removed the background of this image. Yep. Did I increase it? Okay. Yep. Increase it a bit. Mhm. Now the next thing I did was I added blur. I added the blur effect. Now I used 3 colors. For the first one, I used blue. This one, I think I used this, and this I used this. Oh, that's right. Just if I'm not mistaken. Oh, is this the one I used? Think it should be the one I used. But I don't think. So I covered this with blur flip. So I covered this part with blur. Then the next thing I did was I added a text colors. Yep, that's it. Sorry, colorful. I had to go and check just to be sure now. Colorful, and I know a lot of people asking me the font. This is a customized font, Omega Regular. I downloaded it from an external website and uploaded it into Canva, and the size was 439. I had to make sure it's in the middle, and so split the color. This one was blue, I think. Yep, and this one was yellow. So we have colorful, the text. We have the colorful text, and now the next thing I did was I added effect shadow offset. This had to be black, and increase the blur, and also increase the transparency. Okay, then I duplicated this and change the color of this to white, and I applied the hollow effect, placed it on the top, then reduce the thickness, I think somewhere here. So then we have our colorful text. I'm just gonna lock this so it doesn't group this, take it up, take this image a bit. So now you know how I got this image. Now I placed the image at the back, and now I added the blur effect. Now the next thing I did before adding the whole text, I'm going to show you now. Okay, I added this element. It's called a neon spiral neon. So I flipped it vertically. Okay, I flipped it vertically, and the image here, I duplicated it. Make sure it's okay. First of all, I applied the filter, the afterglow filter. I did the same for this one. Okay, so the images, it's more sharper. Okay, then this is what we have. Two images. I'm just gonna zoom this to see. Okay, it's perfect. Yep, it is perfect. So now we have the image, we have the background, and what else? Okay, yes, this sparkle, and then my text. So we have colorful model exhibition. So the text is almost ready. So this, At least now you can see how I placed the image in the background. You can see how I did all of this. Now what was left was to just add this text. So okay, and place it below here and add this text and place it here, and we're done with the design. It's so simple, it's very easy to create, but you just have to do a little trick and you get arrive at this final design and know the right color combinations and the right elements to use. So that is how I arrived at this particular design. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Okay, see you next time.